For the Faculty of Science program as offered by GM Moment Women's College, we are having under first year BSc compulsory subject and subject combination. Now under compulsory subject the student can either opt for Foundation Course 1 or NSS 1 or DLLE 1. Under subject combination the student can either opt for PCM, that is Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, or the student can opt for Chemistry, Botany and Zoology, that is CBZ. The second year BSc and third year BSc subjects are mentioned over here. Under university form, the program code for the same is 42300001 and the program name is BSc with credits, regular, revised 16, FY BSc, semester 1, Faculty of Science. When you are filling the college form, it will ask you for two subjects. The first subject is the Foundation Course 1 or NSS 1 or DLLE 1, and the second subject will be asking you for the subject combination, that is either you can select PCM or CBZ. So once we have filled the profile details completely, the next step is to apply online for the program in which you want to take admission. So here there are many programs available by University of Mumbai, but if you want to take admission in the Faculty of Science as offered by GM Moment Women's College, then you have to write over here Science and click on the search option. Now under Science also there are many options available, so we will just search it out over here in the pages available. So on page number 5th over here you can see our code, that is 42300001, that is BSc with credits, regular, revised 16, FY BSc, semester 1, Faculty of Science. The next thing is we have to click on this apply button. Under the course selection, select the medium of instruction as English. Now this program is divided into two groups. The first group is Foundation Course group and the second group is Optional group. In the Foundation Course group we have to select any one option. So here our college offers Foundation Course 1, Foundation Course in NSS 1 and Extension and Field Outreach. So from these three options we have to select any of the one option. So I'm selecting over here Foundation Course 1. If I'm selecting any other option, it is going to give me a prompt. Next is under Optional group, we have to select any three subjects from the following group. So suppose if I want to take admission in Physics, Chemistry, Maths, that is PCM. So for that I have to select these three subjects. So here I am selecting Chemistry, then I have to select Mathematics, that is Chemistry, Mathematics and Physics. If suppose I am selecting the fourth subject, again it is going to give me a prompt. So I am clicking on OK, and if I want to change the subject, then I can just deselect it and I can move to another subject, that is CBZ. So here I have to select accordingly C, B and Z, and I have to click on proceed button. Once I click on the proceed button, my course details gets saved successfully. Now here it is showing me the subjects of semester 1 and the subjects of semester 2 it is asking me. So whatever subjects I have selected in the semester 1, the same subject I need to select over here in semester 2. So I am selecting over here Foundation Course 2, and here again it is asking me select any three subjects from the following group. So I am going to select CBZ, which I have already selected in the previous one. So CB and then the Zoology part, and I have to click on proceed. So as you can see, in the first semester also I have selected Chemistry, Botany and Zoology. In semester 2 also I have selected Chemistry, Botany and Zoology. And the next thing is I have to click on this proceed.